March 5th, 2006. Okay, so, who is that? Is it here? Okay. Who is it?
Doggy.
And how does the doggy do?
Woof, woof, woof.
Good. And who is this?
Papa, sit half on the wall. Yes, yes.
Beautiful. And who is this?
Oh.
Wait.
Pig.
Pig and
Oink, oink, oink.
oink, oink, oink. Okay. Oh, who is that?
Cat.
Cat. And how does the cat do?
Meow.
Yeah. It's the wind. It's the wind. Who is this?
Chicken.
Chicken. Oh. How does the chicken go? Wind? Yeah, wind. Wait a minute. Who is this?
What?
Who is this?
What?
Goat?
Go.
Okay. Oh, who is this?
Cow.
How does the cow do?
Moo. Moo.
Good. Who is this?
Horsey.
How does horsey do? Very good, horsey. And the last one? Who is that?
Duck.
How does the duck go? The end? Good job. Very good.
I read in the book.
Yeah.
The cow. Pig.
Good. March 5th.
Mark.
Yeah.
Marky read Mark 5th.
Marky read on March 5th. Yes, Marky read a big book.
Read what?
Good job.